Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to see my bag collection, and if you are interested in these kind of videos, keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's start with our first bag, which is this, and this is from Michael Kors. I got it as gift for my last year's birthday. This is from Canada. I like the chain detailing. I mostly like chains in bag, though it makes the bag heavy. I like that. And I like their branding, and I like the logo in any brand. I like their original logo collection, so I think this is perfect for that. And the design is classy. The bag is spacious, where I can fit most of my things. And the quality is good. Of course, it's Michael Kors, and this is spacious, and I love that about this. So yeah, this is our first bag, and let's move on to our second bag, which you might have already seen from Guess. And I love the color of this, and as I said, I like their branding logos usually. I don't know why, it looks so classic and original. I feel that way when I see that, or I mostly prefer black or white, and I am mostly a sling bag kind of person. So this is perfect for that, and the chain of this bag is so good quality, and it's too heavy than Michael Kors. So this is the bag, and even this is spacious. For a casual day out, you can fit a lot of things. I am a heavy packer, so I mostly make use of all the tiny places in any bag. So if you want to see my what's in my bag with respect to the bags, you can comment it down. I just like this. Look how perfect it is. So I love this bag. This is my favorite. If you have not watched Canada gift haul, so this is also from Canada. Moving on to our third bag, which is this. This bag is from Aldo. You might have already seen me styling this bag in Rajasthan, and I love this bag. You can also use the sling, and this bag is spacious. Look how cute, and this design, I love this piece. Our next bag is also from Aldo, and this is also a gift from a friend, and you might have already seen me styling this in Sri Lanka. If you have not watched, please go watch that. And I am not this bag kind of person. I don't usually carry these bags, but my friend wanted me to try this. It's my last year's or last to last year birthday gift. It is too classy and black. I think in the whole video I have this one black bag. The constant chain detailing. I love chain detailing. And coming to the space, it is quite spacious only. You can't put so much into it, but you can still use it. It's a bit spacious only. So this is a nice one. I wouldn't have bought this kind of design, but glad my friend did, and I like this. Our next bag is this, which is Peter James from London. This was gifted by my cousin, again last to last year's birthday, I guess. So this bag is proper spacious, big bag. You can see here you have two compartments and one without zip. See how spacious it is, and you can lock it like this. And the other side you have this much space, again same space, and you can also wear it like a sling bag, but I prefer using this bag like this only. It's good this way because it is spacious and I mostly fill a lot of things inside this, so it's better to carry that way than as a sling bag. And next, I lost the count, but our next bag here is this bag is from Allen Solly, and this is sling bag again, and mostly I carry this bag everywhere. So this is spacious, so yeah, I'm a good organizer, guys. If you don't know, I can pack my bags very well and keeping most items inside one. So this is our bag, and this is our sling. You know, I just keep the plastic so that it don't get dirty. You can see here I have papers like this. I put it inside so that it don't fold, and the bag is sturdy. I keep this also inside. I detach this whenever I'm done using the bag, and I keep it like this so it's all clean and steady. And also I keep this in the plastic cover so that it don't get dirty. And our next bag is this, which is also from Allen Solly. It also has sling. You can attach sling here. You have space. But I don't like the sling to this bag as well. It is sturdy and it is spacious. I like this design. I mostly buy bags in different designs whenever I buy because I don't want to keep repeating similar kind of designs. So you might have already seen me. Most of my bags are in different designs only. Yes. So that's why I bought this. And it is spacious. You can see I have papers inside, and we also have sling. I mostly use bags, and right after coming to home I clean my bag. I put everything like properly and store it. That's why you can see, I mean, it's been almost 3-4 years since I bought this, but still it looks like a new bag, like all my bags for that matter. Look at the design. And our next bag is this cute bag. So this is in blush pink. I think it's been more than 5-6 years since I bought this. Mostly I carry this bag. So apart from sling bags, I like these compact small backpacks. I love this, and this is so cute and it is spacious. I did take this to my Hampi trip, and we have 2 zippers here. And also Gokarna, so I have this stuff here. So I took this to Gokarna trip, and look how spacious it is. I love it. If you remember, we had Shein and Club Factory apps back in the days. That time I got it. I don't think you can get it now. Maybe you will get the similar kind of bag, and it's so cute. Look how cute it is, and Mickey Mouse ears. Ciao. And we are almost in the end of this video. I think we're just left with one bag. So this is another bag. There's a story behind this bag. I don't want to carry my backpack to office, and I wanted something classy and fancy. So I thought I'll buy a big bag. I tried buying it from Allen Solly, but it was so big. So I wanted something compact and good. So I came across this brand. I got this, and it is good. The size is good, fine. I mean, I can carry, but my laptop is too heavy. So I'm not carrying this. I might have used it like twice or thrice. That's it. It is too heavy. It is spacious. I used to carry a lot of things inside this. I'm a heavy packer, guys. I can do what's in my office bag video also. I carry clothes also. So yeah, don't judge me for that. It is spacious, and also one thing, you have this to keep the base steady, or else it will be like this. And when I place it here in the base, it stays like this. and you can style it very well and look classy. So yeah. So finally, we have come to an end and you have seen all my 9 bags, and I have still more bags. If you want part 2, you can comment down. But these are the most like designer kind of pieces I have. Apart from this, mostly I have other sling bags and beach kind of bags. So those things I have. I hope you like all my cute hot in bags. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.